How to change Wise password. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your Wise password quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the Wise app on your mobile device. First, enter your PIN or fingerprint to access the app. The latest version of the app requires this step. Once you're logged in, navigate to your account settings. You can do this by clicking on your profile icon in the top left corner. In your account settings, look for the Privacy and Security section. Click on that to proceed. Here, you'll see the option to change your password. Click on Change Password. You'll be prompted to enter your current password, followed by your new password. Make sure to create a strong new password. If you need help creating a password, check out our tips by clicking on the card in the top right corner of the screen. Once you've entered your old and new passwords, click on Change Password. Your password will be updated immediately. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Wise password. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next.